everyone, Mrs. Leaf here. In our previous two lessons, we talked about the lines and the spaces in the treble clef. Today, we're going to bring things together and we're going to talk about our musical alphabet. Now, the musical alphabet is a little bit different than the normal alphabet. It doesn't have all the letters, but I can still sing the alphabet song that goes along with it. I'll go ahead and sing it right now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 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 So those are the letters that are in our musical alphabet. It only goes to G. Now, when we're going up through the musical alphabet, we just go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then we keep on going, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But if I needed to go down, I would have to go backwards through the musical alphabet. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. That lets me go down, go lower through the musical alphabet. So I have my musical staff here, and I want to go through my lines and spaces so you can see how the musical alphabet fits on there. We're going to start with our lines, and you can see that I have them labeled 1 through 5. Now, if you remember us talking about those lines last week, our special sentence was every good boy does fine. So that means our first line needs to be an E. What is our second line going to be? If you said G, you are correct. Our second line is going to be G. Our third line will be B. Fourth line will be D. And our fifth line will be F. So we have every good boy does fine. We have our 5 line notes in the treble clef. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the space notes in there too. Can you remember how many spaces we had in the treble clef? If you said 4, you are correct. So I have my spaces here. They're labeled in green. And we remember that our face fits in the space. So my first line will be an F. Or I should say our first space, because our face fits in the space. Our first space will be F. Our second space will be A. Our third space will be C, and our fourth space will be E. So now we have our lines and our spaces labeled. Now, here's where something kind of cool happens. We can actually go through our musical alphabet. If we take a look at the second space, A, check out the line next to it. It's B. So A, B. Then if we look at our third space, C. We look at D on the fourth line, D, E, F. So we're just going through the alphabet. If I go backwards, I'm on my second space A, and I go in reverse through my alphabet, I'm at that G again. So G. If I go backwards through the alphabet, the letter that comes before G is F, and the letter that comes before F is E. So if I just know the order of the musical alphabet, I can figure out any space or any line with just one note. I hope this helps your understanding of the musical alphabet a little bit more. Happy practicing. Bye-bye.